If this world
She say she feeling my vibe, and I'm feeling her too. I see she getting more involved, and her feelings is too. She say her ex nigga lame, and she swear that she through. So we ain't gotta hide with whatever we do. Let's play peekaboo, let's pop out on.
Oh, we're 20. We're 20. All right, so gonna document this process because it's our first time trying Pilates together. So Pilates, which is like a mat Pilates class here. Then we'll go ahead and go to school to the other classes. Your favorite tax babe, and I'm back at y'all with another tax tip. So right now we are about to take a Pilates class, but I plan on doing this for my team. So guess what? It is going to be a write-off. If I book this for my entire team and I take care of that expense for a mental break for the team, it definitely is a write-off.
Run the rats like I want them. Count up the red, we gon' want them. Carrots, I want them upon us. Clarity beats, I see water. Talking cash out when I want them. Talking cash out when I wanna. Stones in my teeth, don't talk for free. Don't care to speak, I'ma be brief. Go out the brief, I got a freak. She got to see, who wanna see? How many M's? Smoking grounds, I smoke out the P. She with the P, I'ma prevail. Parasail, I flow through the sea. Yacht overseas, count up this best of my hundreds. Get up, I don't wanna go.
Alright, I just want to know why nobody told me how hard Pilates is. Like, when I say I was all amped up to go in here and show my ass, well, they showed my ass. I was hurting like hell. And then I got Kev next to me. He acting a plum fool. Then there was this older woman, and she's just breezing through the whole process. So I'm like, oh, hell no. I got to show out. Y'all, when I say I was so woke out, look at Kev. Like, he about to fall over. No lie, it was fun though. If you haven't tried it, definitely everybody go try it. And then they gave us these little warm towels, cool towels afterwards, and it was a plus. But stay tuned for the cycling class that almost killed me.
It's about 5:30. What time it is? It's 5:14. I bet you I get there at 5:30. You want to bet?
No.
Bro, I ain't never seen where
Alright, y'all, so we walked into this class, and my first initial feeling was like, I don't know what the hell I just got myself into, seriously. She was helping us fix our bikes and get everything started. Y'all can tell I'm nervous right here. And she's just like, we're about to get pumped up. This wannabe model nigga over here drinking slow. I don't know how this video got in slow motion, but I thought it was funny. But he amped up and he ready, and I'm over here scared as shit, okay? Then, she's getting her speakers and everything hooked up, and then everybody started coming in. So we warming up, and I'm just like, look, I'm in the 40s. I'm in the freaking 40s. And at this moment, I just gave the hell up. I was looking at the exit. Where the exit?